Marble eyes, a pale reflection, standing where the ivy climbs. Every stone remembers footsteps, every echo keeps your name in time. Velvet sky is breaking open, still